Good afternoon. 안녕. 선생님이 오늘은 강아지 책을 갖고 왔어요. Harry the Dirty Dog. 여기 보면 what do you see? There's a dog, right? 원래는 하얀색 강아지에 검은색 점이 있는 강아지였는데 이 강아지가 모험을 하거든요. 목욕하기 싫어서 도망가거든요. 그래서 밖에 나가서 놀다가 너무 더러워져서 어떻게 됐냐면 검은색 몸에 하얀색 점이 있는 강아지가 되었어요. 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까? 같이 읽어보겠습니다. 짠! 오늘 읽을 책이고요. 길이가 조금 길어요. Harry the Dirty Dog by Jean Zion. This is Harry. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. 목욕하는 거 싫어하는 강아지예요. 이런 친구들 있어요? So one day when he heard the water running in the tub, time to take a bath. He took the scrubbing brush. 뭐 하려고? 어쩌려고? Oh no, look at that! 숨기기로 했어. He buried it in the backyard. Oh no, Then he ran away from home. Oh my goodness. 도망갔어. 어떡해? 집을 나갔어. 목욕하기 싫어서. Oh my goodness. He played where they were fixing the street and got very dirty. Oh my goodness, look at that. 근데 재밌겠다, 그치? 재밌겠네. Oh, look at the train. He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. 더 더러워졌어요. Woohoo. Then he played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. 재밌겠다. 재밌다. Oh no, 이건 아니지. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. 엄청 더러워졌어. dirtiest, 가장 더러워졌어요. In fact, he changed it from a white dog with black spots. Look at this, white dog with black spots. To a black dog with white spots. To a black dog with white spots. 이랬던 강아지가 이렇게 바뀌었어요. 알고 봤더니 같은 강아지였어요. 어떡해. 이제 어떡할까? 뭘 할 것 같아? 자, 그래서 although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he had really run away. 이제 걱정되기 시작했어. 가족들이 내가 진짜 도망갔다고 생각하면 어떡하지? He felt tired and hungry too. So without stopping on the way, he ran back home. 집으로 갔어요. 안 놀고 곧장 갔어요. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. 앉아서 back door를 보고 있었어요. One of the family looked out and said, "Oh, there is a strange dog in the backyard." 못 알아봐. Strange dog이래. By the way, has anyone seen Harry? 근데 Harry 봤어? 모두들? 그래서 해리가 뭘 했냐면 when Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. 나야 나. I'm the Harry. 나야 나. He started to do all his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped, and he flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. He danced and sang. He did these tricks over and over again, But everyone shook their heads and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Harry 리가 없어. 어떡해. Oh, so it became so sad. Oh no. Harry gave up and walked slowly toward the gate. But suddenly he stopped. 왜 멈췄지? He remembered. 기억했어요. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. Happy barks. He found the scrubbing brush, 찾았어요, and carrying it in his mouth and ran into the house. Up the stairs, he dashed with the family following close behind. 쫓아가기 시작했어요. 하기 싫어 도망갔는데. He jumped into the bathtub and set up begging. With the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. 한 번도 해본 적이 없는데 이런 트릭은 했대요. 목욕시켜주세요. This little doggy wants a bath, cried the little girl. And her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" 너네가 해주면 어때? 이제 어떻게 될까? 그래서 짜잔! 목욕을 시작했네요. Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. So much soap. Bubble. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look! Come quick! 엄마, 아빠, 와보세요! It's Harry! They cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed his loving him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. 당연하지. There is nowhere like home, you know. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly. He didn't even feel the scrubbing brush hidden under his pillow. 너무 피곤했는데 그래서 너무너무 코를 골면서 시끄럽게 잠들어서 그 스크러빙 브러쉬를 필로우 밑에 숨긴 것도 까먹고 잤대요. The end. 그래서 목욕하기 싫어서 도망간 적 있어요? 어딜 가든 집만큼 편안하고 좋은 곳은 없죠, 그죠? Your home sweet home is the best place. 오늘도 집에서 편하게 아주 따뜻하게 아니면 시원하게 맛있는 거 먹으면서 가족들하고 좋은 하루 보내요. Have a nice day. See you later.